You're listening to BambinoBabble's bedtime story. Once upon a time, there lived a little kitten named Fluffy. She was the most playful, curious, and sweet kitten around. She had 2 sisters and 1 brother, and their mom was the kindest kitty around. One day, Fluffy and her siblings were playing hide and seek when Fluffy decided to hide somewhere extra special. She scampered out the door and into the woods. She thought it would be so fun to explore the forest and find secret hiding spots. But soon, Fluffy realized that she was lost. She was so far away from home and had no idea how to get back. She meowed and meowed, but no one could hear her. She was so scared and alone. Luckily, a wise old owl heard her meowing. He flew down from his tree and asked Fluffy what was wrong. Fluffy told him she was lost and couldn't find her way home. The owl offered to help her, and so they set off together. The owl showed Fluffy how to use the stars to guide her way home. He showed her how to look at the shape of the stars to know which way was north, south, east, and west. Fluffy was so happy to learn this. Soon enough, Fluffy was able to find her way home. She thanked the owl for his help, and the owl said, "You are a brave kitten, Fluffy. You will never be lost again." Fluffy was so proud of herself for finding her way home. She was sure to never get lost again, thanks to the wise old owl. She ran back to her family and was so happy to be reunited with them. The end.